Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the like and subscribe button to get more updates about our videos. Twitter has announced a monetization plan that lets creators earn from their tweets. But how does it work? Twitter Monetization Program. What is the Twitter Monetization Program? On Friday, July 14, 2023, Twitter announced a new monetization program based on ad revenue sharing for Twitter Blue and verified users. It would allow creators to earn money from ad replies to their posts. However, users must be eligible for the program and comply with the minimum requirements. So you could earn up to $5 million. Twitter Monetization Plan Requirements. Account must be verified or subscribed to Twitter Blue. Must have a minimum of 5 million tweet impressions in the last 3 months. The user must maintain 500 active followers or more. Eligibility criteria for Twitter monetization. Must reside in an eligible country. Here's the list of those eligible countries. Just try and check if you're living in one of these countries. Next, must be 18 or older. Twitter account that has been active for at least 3 months. You must connect a verified Stripe account, have posted tweets in the past 30 days, etc. Conduct standards. Creators participating in Twitter's monetization products are prohibited from engaging in the following activity: solicitation, fraud and deception, platform manipulation and spam, and local law. Content standards. Okay, keep these things in mind because these are very important. Illegal or restricted content, criminal behaviors, violent or graphic content, sensitive events, anything that is false or misleading, etc. Now, how to apply for Twitter monetization program. If you are eligible, meet the requirements, and regularly comply with the community standards, you can apply for the program by going to the monetization section in your account settings. However, if you don't find the option yet, Twitter has an open slots for new applications, or you're not eligible yet. Now, how it works. Eligible users will be able to join and set up payments from within the monetization section of the app. Once you click Join and Set Up Payouts, you will be redirected to the payment processor, which is Stripe, will be where you will be able to transfer funds to your external bank account. How will Twitter pay the creators? Several other high-profile users have revealed their earnings. Twitter has partnered with Stripe to process payments of creators. You will need a verified Stripe account to get paid for your tweets. Once you're eligible for monetization, you will receive your share via Stripe. Now, how to grow on Twitter. Here are our top 10 tips. Number 1, tweet frequently. Number 2, post visual content. Number 3, utilize hashtags. Number 4, become part of a Twitter community. Number 5, engage with replies, retweets, and tags. Number 6, publish and comment on Twitter threads. Number 7, create an inviting profile. Number 8, participate in Twitter chats. Number 9, draw in followers outside of Twitter. Number 10, optimize your post timing. And that's it. Before we end, let me introduce to you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. Create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. Build your successful online business without breaking a sweat. Create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. Supports all major payment gateways and memberships. 30 plus ready-made funnel and opt-in templates. Email marketing using inbuilt autoresponder. Membership system to create free or paid memberships. Easy one-click install, no coding or knowledge of hosting required. So get CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. And thanks for watching.